everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So as you can see, I have a few Pandora boxes here in front of me, some Pandora bags. So Pandora recently had a promo where if you bought, I think it was $150, if you spent that amount, you got the cleaning kit and one of their jewelry cases, which I think they released it last year. So you got that free. We'll open this in the end. But yeah, the jewelry care kit was free with any purchase. But if you spend $150, you got the jewelry case and the care kit for free. And so I had the jewelry case on my wish list, and you know, you can never have enough of the jewelry care kit because it really works well. And so I went ahead and bought a few things that were on my wish list. So as you can see, I do have something from the Marvel X Pandora collection that they recently came out with, the Guardians of the Galaxy charms. So I got some of those, and then last month was my birthday month, and so they had sent me a coupon, like a couple of coupons, because I'm a credit card holder too. And so I did get something from that as well. So let's go ahead and look at the Marvel charms first, and then we'll look at the other one that I got. The Marvel charms do come with the sleeve. So the box inside is the regular Pandora box, but it does have the special sleeve, which it's so pretty. It just says Marvel X Pandora. It has the mixtape here that says Awesome Mix. And then the background is that grid thing when they do the jumps into, you know, when they're doing space travel. So yeah, it's a really cool sleeve, and I appreciate that. And I picked up two charms, and the two charms that I picked up are these two. So I have Groot and I have Star-Lord. So let me take these out of the box and we'll look at these in more detail. This is the Groot charm, and he is just so cute. You can see that he's articulated, so his head, he has a huge head, which you know, in the movies too, you'll see his head is big, but they've kind of exaggerated it a little bit more for this charm. And then he's in this pot, and his body and his hands, and it kind of his pot and the body, they move. So this would be like this on a bracelet, and it will move. So it doesn't really flip too much. You can see it doesn't really flip when it's on a bracelet, and it does a little bit, but once it's on your wrist, I think it will be okay. There are some man-made CZs. I think they're brown colored, almost garnet looking CZs for his eyes. And then there's this kind of bark-like detail on his head. I wish they had done that bark-like detail all over his face and body. I think that would have looked really cool because that's how he is in the movies. And then at the back it does say I'm Groot, because that's the only thing he ever says. So that's the Groot charm, and this was my kids' favorite charm out of the lot, and they really wanted me to get this one. And so this is why I went with this one this time. And then the other one that I got is the Star-Lord dangle. Now this one is really detailed. So there's this, the bail on this is plain smooth silver. It does have the Guardians logo on the front, and on the sides, if my camera would focus, it says Star-Lord on this side, and on the other side it says Legendary Outlaw. So that's such a cool inscription. I really like that Legendary Outlaw part. And then he is wearing his mask. His eyes on the mask are again these almost deep red colored man-made CZs. He's holding his blaster in one hand, and in the other hand he's holding his Walkman, and you can see his headphones on his head. He is enameled, so his jacket is that reddish brown enamel. The shoes are black. That's the back. You can see the enamel detail a little bit more over here, and there's hallmarks over here. And so yeah, this is a fairly detailed charm, and it was pretty expensive. I wasn't sure why it was so expensive, and then I realized there's those CZs and so much enamel and so much detail on it. And so yeah, that's the Star-Lord charm. And so I have to figure out how to add these two to my Avengers bracelet that I'm creating, because it's already very heavy on dangles, and this one is a dangle, and this one with the articulated body and pot, I think, is also considered a dangle, so I'll have to figure that out. So those are the Marvel charms that I picked up with this promo, with the jewelry care kit and the jewelry box, which let's open the box because I haven't opened it yet and seen it. And so let's see. It is packed in tissue paper. Oh, and there's tape. And it is this beautiful pink color. It does have the Pandora logo embossed on the top. It does have a gold zipper, and then the zipper pull has the Pandora logo on it on both sides. So that's cool. I almost never want to take off these sticky films to keep the that are there to keep these from scratching, and it's always satisfying to take them off, but I procrastinate to take them off. I don't know if I'm the only one, but the zip is pretty nice. When you open it up, there is a mirror on this side, and on here you do have a space for rings. There is space, these two cubbies for charms or whatever else, maybe smaller necklaces. There are 3 small charm bars with these gold colored bars, which I was most excited about. I wish Pandora would do like a bigger jewelry box with just charm bars. That would be so cool. And then this tray comes off, and then at the bottom you do have this big compartment, which, you know, you can add whatever you want, and then this part where you can do necklaces. And this does come out, so if you want to use not use this and just use this for more bracelet space, you could definitely do that. So I think it's a very well designed jewelry box. Would be really nice for short trips, I feel. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this one out. I love the color on this, and it does need to be, I think, cleaned a little because it has these fuzzies on it, which I think it was in the box, so that's how it got on here, because there's fuzzies on the mirror as well. But that's fine, I'll clean this up. But that's the jewelry box and the cleaning kit, which comes with a jewelry cleaner, a polishing cloth, and I think it also comes up, yes, it comes with a little brush to, you know, brush your jewelry with. So I do have one open already, so that's why I'm not opening this one up. But yeah, I think it was a really great promo, and I really appreciated getting this jewelry box. So that was that. Now let's open the other charm that I got with my birthday discount and the gift card that they had sent me. I think with Pandora card holders, they send you a $10 gift card, and they also send you a 10% off coupon. And so the charm I picked up is from the spring collection. It had been on my wish list since the release, and I'm talking about this beautiful charm. This is the Ladybird dangle charm, and it is so pretty. I love how they've done this. It is red, which, you know, that's what ladybirds are. They are red. So I'll have to think about how I want to design it, but I knew I wanted it. And I thought this was Murano glass, the red part, but I was reading up on the Pandora website, and they said it's a stone. So I'm assuming it's a man-made stone. I'm not sure. But that's what the body is made up of. And then on top of the stone, you have these black dots, and these are enamel. So they've scooped out some of the stone and then filled it with enamel, and then that's what they've done. There's on its head, you have these clear CZs. You can see its antennas. The bail on this is just silver with a row of CZs. I do wish it was just plain silver and not any CZs on it, but you know, what can you do? The back on here, it has these wings cut out, and then there's a hidden heart. That's so cute. I love Pandora's hidden hearts. I love finding them. And so yeah, that's the cutout. You can kind of see the wings a little bit through the stone. I don't think my camera is really picking it up, but in real life you can. And so yeah, that's the ladybird dangle. I'm really excited to style with it. As I said, I'm not sure how I'm going to do it because I don't have a whole lot of red in my collection, but I think with spring and a mix of colors, I should be able to figure it out. I might just wear it on my O pendant and you know, style it that way because it's just so cute. I love this ladybird charm. So yeah, guys, this was my haul from Pandora, these two charms and then this one. Let me show you what I'm wearing because it's been a while since I've shared this bracelet. This is my black and white bracelet. It's a permanent design in my collection and I really love it. It's so, you know, I don't know, it's so regal and elegant. Elegant is the word I was looking for. It's such an elegant design. It has a lot of oldies on it. And so yeah, that's my bracelet, and this is my ring. This is from the Wanda's Garden collection, and this is a gray moonstone. I was able to find this pre-loved and I just love it. I think they also did this in an amethyst, which, you know, I would love to find it one day, but these are so hard to come by, and I really like the band on this with the twisted, almost stem-like look to it. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I would love it if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one. Stay safe, guys. Bye.